Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles. This is their Last Bite Bath Bomb. Super, super cute. And I think this is the last of the Halloween bath bombs I have from them. And still unsure if they're going to have Christmas ones or not. Their website still says be back next year, so I'm not sure. I really hope they do Christmas ones because that would be amazing. They have some really adorable bath bombs that they put a lot of time and detail in, and you could really tell. And as always, this bath bomb, super colorful, had so many different vibrant colors coming out of it. Very fun to watch in the tub, and it smelled really good. The fragrance notes are lime, orange, sweet cherry, and berries. I feel like I did pick up on the orange and the sweet cherry probably the most. But I love that this was a fruity smelling bath bomb because those are my all-time favorites. And if you go to their website, they take their page down whenever they're sold out of their bath bombs, but you could enter your email address and they will notify you whenever they relaunch their products. So I would definitely suggest doing that. That way you don't miss out, because seasonal ones especially will sell out pretty quickly. And I do have a promo code below. So whenever you're able to order, make sure you go back to one of my videos and get that promo code. And I also have a playlist if you want to see any past bath bombs that I've done from them. I'm big on the seasonal bath bombs, but then, of course, throughout the year, I do non-seasonal ones as well. So here was the last little bit of the bath bomb. It's just like the top layer. Kind of wanted to sink it. Then I was seeing if it was going to be active again, because sometimes when you sink it, it has this little burst of energy, but it started to a little bit, but I was like, oh, there's not much left. I'm going to go ahead and crumble it. It's really satisfying to crumble them as well. And I will say, though the water does look a little murky, it was more orange than it appears on camera. Especially when all those colors swirled around, it was definitely more of an orange instead of like a brownish orange. And they normally do a pretty good job of not making the water turn murky, even though they're using lots of colors. So that's what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.